Hi everybody, welcome to Run Deals. So here I have an electric foldable kettle, so it compacts down. So like if you wanted to take it camping or traveling, this is really cool. So let's take a look at it. And this did come in pink. I think it comes in black and pink, I believe is the other color, but I went ahead and got pink. So there's an extended warranty and then of course the manual. And here is the kettle. Look how cute that is, you guys. So here's the cord. Oh, this is nice. It comes with a little pouch. So that is really nice. Nice soft pouch. All right, so let's take a look at this kettle. This is so cool. So there's a handle right here that will pop up into place. There we go. So that's secure. Let's see how this pops out here. Here's the lid. I bet this pushes down. Yep, this pushes down. And unfolds just like that. How cool is that, you guys? And it has a display on the front. So I will go ahead and plug this in and we'll see how it goes. I am gonna push it down real quick and see. Oh yeah, it collapses super easy. We'll undo the handle here and voila. It's back down to the collapsible shape. And again, it comes with this little bag. Let's put it in the bag and see how that goes. Oh yeah, lots of room. It has some drawstrings. I love this. This is so cute. This is great for travel. So let's go ahead and plug this in and take a look at how it works. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and plugged this in, and there are different modes I wanted to show you on here. So there's water, noodles. There is just a keep warm setting, which is really nice. If you want to boil an egg or a tea setting, and all you do is hit this button and move it over to whichever you want. And then if you just want to turn it off, you hit it again. And there is a delay set timer. So if you don't want this to turn on right away and you want to set it for later in the day or even like when you get up in the morning, you can go ahead and set the timer. So there's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3. Not sure how far it goes up. Wow. All right, so it goes up 12 hours, so that's really cool. And of course you can set it for like, it'll do my water in an hour. So that's really neat. This is really cool. Again, I would definitely take this when I'm traveling.